move. I can't see.
What's going on in there?
I think some... Whoa!
Hey! Are you okay?
What were you doing in there?
Huh? Oh, I'm training for Worlds.
What's Worlds?
All right. Listen up, and I'll tell you.
You're still on fire.
At Worlds, the best League of Legends teams from around the globe come together to fight for the ultimate glory. To become legends! And the pride of the country. Every year, millions of people tune in to watch. It's the conclusion to a year of intense competitions between the best League of Legends teams in the world. Oh, and sometimes giant dragons show up too. It's one of the greatest competitive moments in all of sports. So that's Worlds. Don't miss it.